Good morning all. It's 5:30 in the morning, and we have decided to leave at silly o'clock to get as early a ferry as possible. So got about 3 hours riding ahead of us, and it's quite chilly at the moment. It's about 10 degrees showing. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be dry. The sun's coming out. I reckon it'll warm up. Just leaving our campsite here in the Ardennes forest. Really nice campsite. Co-Ordinates will be below, so please check it out. It's worth going here. They also have a hotel and a restaurant, which is nice, but it's only a short walk into town from here. So yeah, really nice campsite. As I say, 3 hours on the bike. We're going to black through motorways basically all the way through. There's not going to be much to talk about, so I will catch up with you once we are on the train, if we can get on nice and early. Speak to you then.
Right, that's it. We are now on the train, heading back for good old Blighty. Quite a bad ride. A bit chilly this morning actually. About 12 degrees showing on the bike. It's a little bit chilly. About 3 hour riding in the end, so not a lot. Yeah, now on the earlier train because we need to get back a little bit quick because Richard needs to get back and sort out a fault on the Range Rover. So by getting back on the earlier train means a bit more time to sort that out before work tomorrow. Yeah, on the train, 35 minutes, we'll then be back in UK, and then for me it's just 90 miles to get home, and for Richard quite a bit more. Speak to you when we're in the UK. Bye. Alright guys, well that is it. I am now back home. That last 40 miles or so, butt's really aching now. That was a struggle, that last 40 miles. But yeah, back home, all the way safely, which is the main thing. I think Richard's probably still on the road. He'll have about an hour left of his trip, I reckon, by this point. But now it's time to unpack the bike, take stock of everything been up to this last 4 days, and sort out my video, I guess. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed seeing us cruising around and the antics we got up to. I hope you tune in again to watch the next video when I do the next one. Just for you guys that are interested, 4 days round trip. We took in France, Germany, then Switzerland, then France, Germany, Belgium, Luxembourg, then Belgium, back into France and home, and the whole trip from door to door, from my front door to my front door, was 1,264 miles. But fills every one of them. Thanks for watching. Speak to you again soon. Bye.